There's been a lot of fads in this year. Fads like modern rap, like the Rake Guy and Young Thug. And there's one fad that's worse than even low-carb diets. That's this fucking fidget spinner. Why is this so big on the markets? I'm gonna show you the awesome, most best trick you can do with this thing. And that is... bingo! Just look how that breaks apart so easily. Okay. If you still have a fidget spinner left in your hand, well, now you can spin it. Just look at that go. Is that a giant fidget fucker? Hi, yeah, ready? Hi everybody. Today I'm introducing you one of the biggest fads ever to go on the market. This piece of shit. It's a fidgety fucker. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna show you the best trick you can ever do with this. Hey buddy, hand me a hammer. Thank you! Now, you see this hammer? This is the best investment ever made.